morning. This is Grandpa Ron. Yeah, I really hate the wastewater, and been having a little trouble with my freshwater tank. It kind of spills out on the road as I'm driving when it's full. And anyway, I've been trying to get it so that we're not losing any of that water before we get to the campsite. So far, I used some black Gorilla Tape to cover the opening up, but that worked okay, but it was still sloshing water out the side. It's kind of annoying. So then I tried some foam, and we'll put it right up on here. There we go. Well, that seems to cover up the opening okay, but then the vent was leaking water. So third try is a charm. So this time I'm going to try a check valve in that vent line. Try to keep that from letting the water run down the side. So anyway, this is what I did, and we'll see how it works. Okay. Just take the screws off for easier access here. Those support bars off. You can just pull this all the way up, and it's out of the way, so it's a little easier to work on. Yeah, while I was taking those screws off, I dropped one down alongside the water tank. All right, I think I got it. So I made up a little screw retriever. It's essentially just a magnet on an aluminum arrow shaft that I can reach down in little places, and sure enough, I was able to retrieve the screw. Okay, here's the little check valve that allows the air to come back into the tank when you're using the water, but it won't allow the water to slosh out of the tank. At least that's the theory. Now remember, the black end goes in here. Ready. And then the white goes right in here. Ready. That's on. There we go. That's on pretty good. Just move it. I recommend use a manual screwdriver because this wood is pretty soft and you don't want to over torque it. Okay, let's go check her out, see if she leaked. Whoa, looks dry. Yes, perfect. Still full of water. Just a little drip from the foam, that's about it. And nothing coming off the vent. Well, I'm pretty excited. At least now I won't be dripping water down the road. Anyway, so we'll just call this a success. And this is Grandpa Ron, and I'll see you on the road.